Hello, we're here today in Queen Creek at Barney Farms. It's a Fulton Homes development, and we're in the Groves collection. And today we're going to be looking at the live oak model. Very beautiful floor plan. I know you're going to love it. You know, if you're wanting a new build, most of them are here in the Southeast Valley because that's where the land is, and Queen Creek and Santan Valley. And you can also a lot of times get a lot more bang for your buck here in the Southeast Valley, a lot better than you would, say, in the Valley proper, say in Mesa, Tempe areas, and those more older developed neighborhoods. So if you would like to visit Barney Farms, give me a call. I would love to show you these homes in this neighborhood. And if you're returning to my channel, I want to welcome you back. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you aboard. As always, hit the subscribe button and the like. I'm always putting out content regarding real estate and all things real estate, the transaction, how things do, the market reports, and of course, home tours. Without any further ado, let's go out front and let's take a tour of the live oak. This is the second model, the live oak. Wasn't that another beautiful home by Fulton? It was the live oak here at Barney Farms in Queen Creek. And of course, if you would like to see this home or any other home here in the Southeast Valley, give me a call. I would love to show you around. Love living out here in the Southeast Valley. Beautiful place, wonderful neighborhoods, great place to raise a family. And as always, remember, I'm always putting out content like this and trying to keep you informed of all things real estate. And I'm always putting out new content. So until next time, remember, I'm just a phone call away.